Hi everyone. This is a pre-analysis of four stocks: ESCORTS, Kotak Bank, GRASIM, and Shriram Transport Finance. Let's have a look first at ESCORTS now. How ESCORTS is forming? If you can see here, the ESCORTS has formed. Currently, it is forming three top. Correct. Three tops are there. Okay, let me delete these things. Now, these three tops can go like this. It is making a resistance. Now, how can we trade tomorrow? Obviously, when it is forming a triple top pattern, we expect a downfall. That's the reason I have marked this area. If it is crossing this level, 12, 38, 12,238, we can expect it a downfall up to here, 1200. But let's go with the target 1:2, or expect the market to go till here. There is one support line. Okay. Now, if it is not going towards downtrend, where it is going to go, whether upside or in range bound. So if it is crossing this level, 1254, we can expect it to touch this level, wherever this resistance will lie at that point of time here. Let's say around 10 to 12 points, we can expect it going towards upside as well. Okay. Now let's go to, you can use the pivot points as well to identify your support and resistance point. Now in Kotak Bank, it is forming a rising wedge. What happens in rising wedge? That it gives a movement towards downtrend. So what will happen? How can we take the trade? So as soon as the market crosses, like, let me extend this. So if the market is crossing this level, this line, and retesting this area, we can expect a downfall movement. Okay, in Kotak Bank. So when can we take the trade is very simple over here in Kotak Bank. As soon as it's crossing 1982 level, we'll be taking, or whenever this line is broken, we can go ahead and go for short selling opportunities. And this is our important level for upside trade. 1996, whenever it is crossing, we can take the trade and expect the moment to touch this level, because here if you'll see, there is a good resistance, so it may not cross that point. But yes, we can take the trade accordingly. Based on, we have to risk less amount to get that kind of smaller profit. Please follow the risk management to get good amount of profit. So this is about the Kotak Bank. Once it like crosses this level, we can expect it coming till 1960 as well, and first target is going to be 1970. Once it is giving you a target from here, and then later on it can go down depending on the pivot levels as well. If you can see here, 1952, we can expect a good movement. Okay, now let me go to quickly GRASIM. Now GRASIM, what is forming in GRASIM now? How can we take the trade in GRASIM? So GRASIM, I had drew it in 1 hour time frame. If you'll see, it has formed not exactly inverted head and shoulder, but yeah, it is an head and shoulder pattern it has formed. So how can we take the trade in this kind of situation? First trade for short selling opportunity is going to be when it is breaking this resistance line. And whenever this resistance line is broken, we can wait for retest and we can go for trade, and we can expect a downside movement. Now for buying opportunities, when we should go, as soon as it is crossing, this is an important resistance area. So whenever it is crossing this, we can take the trade and expect a upside movement, and by taking around of 8 points, 7 to 8 points, we can expect in this particular stock. Okay, let me delete all these things. Now you can draw one more trend line as well for your comfort. Now let me, you can see as well. So you can just expect till here 1920, like that, whenever it is reaching at that level, because if you'll see the trend line has good support, it was going to give you. GRASIM is done. The next one is our Sriram Transport. Let's have a look Sriram Transport in 15 minutes time frame and find out how we can take the trade. Now here, Sriram Transport has done the same thing which I had told you initially for the Scots, that it is forming a triple top pattern. Now, how can we take the trade? Now here if you'll see, it has been taking support from this area. As soon as this support is getting broken, we can expect a trade. And my target is going to be till here. As soon as this is going to get broken, we are going to take one more trade. For short selling side, logic is this trend line breaks, we are going to take the trade. First, the sell side, it reaches here, this level, it may stop for some time. If it is going to break this level, wait for retest and then take the trade once again. As simple as that. Now, for upside, how can we take the trade? Now, if you'll see, it has come 3 times this level. If it is breaking this level, if it is breaking and going up, wait for retest, then take the trade, and we can go for buying side like that. So that's all from these 4 stocks you can trade. You can just do your own analysis by watching this and mark it out and then take the trade. It is going to give you a good profit. Please follow the risk management to get a good return. Thank you so much for watching.